Do you know that cows are currently sold for as high as 1 million naira, 2 million naira? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you to the biggest livestock market in Nigeria, and I hope you enjoy watching. This market is called Lambata Animal Market, and it's located in Niger State, Nigeria. This market is very big and currently among the cheapest livestock markets in Nigeria, so I was told. This market sells every 4 market days. We went to this market on a Wednesday, so the next market day will be on Sunday, which is 4 days after. They deal more on cows, rams, and goats. So whatever size of cow, ram, or goats you're looking for, you get it in this market. And whatever quantity you want is readily available. Like they have it in abundance. I was told that people from Abuja and its environs come to this market in Niger State to get their livestock. People in Abuja buy from this market and then bring back to Abuja to resell. If you're into food business or you stay in Abuja and you've been looking for where to get livestock at an affordable rate, Lambata Animal Market is the answer. This market comes highly recommended. I was told that they have cows for as high as 1 million naira, 2 million naira in this market. They actually look well fed though, but that is a lot of money. That money can buy me a plot of land in this Abuja. If I have that amount of money, I think I will get a plot of land for myself in either Asokoro or Maitama. Who is with me on this one? But the good news is that there is something for everyone. Like I mentioned earlier, this market is affordable. It's among the cheapest livestock markets in Nigeria. So there is something for everyone. Whatever your budget is, there is something that fits your budget. This is the one we chose, and this is 500,000 naira, which is 500,000 naira. If you don't want a full cow, you can also buy in parts. You only have to look for other interested buyers to share with you. After we chose and paid for our preferred cow, we employed the services of a man who specializes in killing cows in this market. In Lambata Animal Market, only one man is permitted to kill a cow. That cost us 500 naira. I didn't attach the clip of where he was killing the cow because that is against YouTube community guidelines. After he was done killing the cow, we employed the services of these experts who specializes on cutting the cow, shearing the part, and doing every other thing they have to do to the cow. This cost us 20,000 naira. And as you can see from the video, they are doing an amazing job. Coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. You're already here. Please consider subscribing before leaving. Subscription is absolutely free, but I can promise you you're going to love every second you spend here. So please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. To my amazing and returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. You all are truly the best. Thank you so much. Back home, and it's time to wash the meat. The meat was packaged separately. Each part of the meat was packaged in a different bag. This is a cow skin, aka bomo or kanda. This is where the work lies. Washing this meat. Buying meat is one thing and washing the meat is something else entirely. I'm lucky to have people that will help me wash this meat. I'll transfer it into this big basin and we'll get on with it. If you want the contact of the sellers at the markets, let me know down in the comment section. Enjoy the rest of the video.